果我是 DJ，
因为爱我吗
and the salt, if I'm a DJ, will love me. Yes, okay. About the cable, we call this is a die-cut cable.
Die cut?
Yes, die-cut.
Oh yeah, die
Yes,
cut.
die-cut. Why we call it die-cut? Because we because
They are cut by the machine.
Yes.
Right?
They cut by the machine directly.
Yeah,
Yes.
directly.
So about the die-cut cables and also like MOQ size, color, thickness. Yes. And how about that size we can do? What size we can do?
Oh, from 4 to 12 or 20.
20.
4 to 20, right? Inches.
I think 30 inch we also can do.
30.
Yes.
Really?
Let me check. Yeah. Yeah. Let's check the catalog. We also have catalog.
Such a big
Big
size.
size. Yes, I know
Oh.
this big size.
But if it is enough to hold the case, if
Yeah, 24 inch.
24 inch.
We can do the 4 to 24 inch. Yes.
yes, because I just do the normal size like 8, 10, and 12, and 14, 16 is the biggest size I have to do before. So
Oh, really?
yeah, so
Yeah.
I don't know. Wow, we can do 12, 24,
Yes.
24. Yeah.
Okay. About the thickness,
Mm-hmm.
what thickness we can do about this?
2 millimeters.
2,
2 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Yes.
2 to
2 to 5 millimeter thickness we can do.
Yes.
Yes. If you want over than 5 millimeter thickness, I will trust you choose the m.d.f. Yeah,
Yes.
right?
Or the K-drum.
Yes, or the K-drum.
Yes.
Yes, this is
My customers say this is the fast moving product in their shop. Fast moving, so they use them very just use it and use it most how to say 最常用
regular.
regular
Right.
yeah, and
Yes.
most use.
Yes, most people use these keyboards.
Yeah.
Because I think yes, we have I have many customers
Yeah.
buy these keyboards.
Yeah.
Yes, because it's popular.
Yes, and it is cheaper than the K-drum and the
Yes,
keyboard,
it's
so
cheap. Yes, I think because it's just for the not the recycle use, right? Just the one time to
Yeah,
use.
one time
Yeah,
to
one
use.
time to use.
So, oh yes, so that's why they say they are very fast moving.
Yes, yes. So some customer will ask us about can the keyboards sorry what?
What do you want to say?
I don't know, just forget. Wait, we would like to show the oil proof, right? Oil proof. Just
Oil
give me the
proof.
oil proof. Yes.
Okay.